everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing knotless braids on Eniola's hair. We've never done it before, and this is a collaboration with Tiffofalltrades, and she is going to be doing a back to school hairstyle on her daughter's hair. So you guys, after watching our videos, go right to our video and watch a video, and please make sure you mention that you came from Discovering Natural. We're really excited to see what she has. Our channel is filled with so many tutorials that you cannot not go visit it. Thank you so much, Tiff, and I can't wait to see what you have done on your own little one. Okay, so we're gonna start. So Eniola's hair has been washed and we've conditioned it. If you want to see our wash day routine, you can go on our Amazon shop and you can go and look at the live chat where we washed our hair. So I'm going to use this hair extension right over here. This is going to be a challenge for me because I've never done it. I've only tried it once on our mannequin's head. So I'm very excited. So this is how I section the back. So I have two sections going horizontally like this. And then in the front, I have two sections going in the front. So I have the hair extension. So this is the size of the hair extension that I have, and you can see right over there I've already sectioned 3 more, so I'm using 4 of these extensions on one braid. So our hair is already moisturized, so I'm going to detangle it really well. Okay, get all the knots and tangles off. Once I do that, I'm going to start with sectioning our hair into 3 parts like this, and I'm just going to braid. So when I braid, 1, 2, 3. So the next time I braid and my hand is exposed over here, I'm going to grab this piece of hair, okay? Make sure I grab it in the middle, and I'm going to take that piece of hair and I'm going to connect it. I'm swinging it one piece over my hand, and the other piece I'm connecting it right over there, okay? So then I swing this one over and I hold on to the other strand and I connect it in there. So the next time I come and I braid again, I'm going to take another piece of hair. So she's giving me that piece of hair. This one, I'm getting it in the middle like that, and I'm swinging it over my hand like this, and I'm going to connect it in the middle of my hand like that. So when I grab this, I'm grabbing everything and I'm continuing my braiding. So that's what makes it knotless. So as I go again, so the next time I go again, remember, I'm going to grab another piece of hair in the middle. It's over again in the middle. I'm going to swing this over. So one strand, I'm swinging it over like this. The other strand, I'm tucking it in between. So something that could help you is if you're holding it in the middle. So if you're holding the hair, and right in the middle, if you twirl it so that it's smooth and thin, that's one thing that I find that helps. So just hold it in the middle like that. And as I braid again, I'm grabbing this one and I'm swinging that one over to give it that seamless look, and I'm braiding. So this is it. You guys can see I'm gonna clean out all these ones that are hanging out, but it's actually, you can actually see our own hair is well protected in the braid with this system. finally, it's nearly midnight right now. And we ran out of hair, but we went looking all over the house for hair. We found some. So we're gonna just do the same thing. It's coming along. Oh my goodness. The struggle we've had, we've been doing this since 5:30 and we took like an hour break. So you guys, it's not easy, but this knotless braids is actually easier for me to do than the normal one that everybody does. So let's finish doing it, and I'm just going to show you one more time. So I'm just going like that, and then I'm going to take this short one that we found laying around somewhere in this house. This is the last pack, and I'm just going to connect it like that again. I'm going to take another one. This is a longer one in the middle. And the more you do this, the better you get at it. So I'm just going to take that, work that through, and then, so I ended up doing 3 strands instead of 4 strands. I started with 4 strands and I saw that it was kind of a bit bulky. So I ended up doing it like that. So one thing you can do if you feel that the hair feels tight as you're doing it for the person, you can tell them to hold on to the base of the hair. So like that, so that you can continue, because you don't want to pull on the hair. So as you continue, you are good to go. So if you do braid, you can braid like this, which is my preferred way of braiding, or you could take it underneath. So the under braiding actually hides your own hair more than if you do the normal braiding. But for me, the under braiding kind of gives it a twisted look. I don't know, I'm not so good with under braiding, but you can see it here. Let me do a close-up of it. So this is how you do under braiding. So you can do under braid like this, and you can see with that it's actually hiding. So if you have a problem hiding your own natural hair, you can do under braiding. You can move your hand. You can do under braiding like that. So you're just going like that. Or you can do over braiding, and over braiding is just the other way that I was doing it before. Okay, so we are done. This is what it looks like. The ends, I'm going to dip them tomorrow. I'm not going to spend time dipping them today, but for the ends, I'm just going to trim off a little bit at the ends. Can you stand up? And yeah, so this is the length. This is how long it is in length. Let's see. So it goes way down a back. You guys can see. It goes way down. Let me move the camera. So it goes way down a back. So this is the length. So I'm just going to kind of trim it a little bit. So that's what it looks like on the top. It's really, really nice. You guys can see. I really like it. Okay. And then for the side, that's what it looks like on the side, like that. Yep, really looks really, really nice. And then this is the back of it. And yeah, so yeah, I think I did a good job. I actually think I did a good job. Okay, so yeah, we're really tired. But you guys, please check out Tiffofalltrades. Check out the style that she did on her kids' hair. And thank you so much for watching. We had a nice time doing this. My fingers are sore. I am so tired. And hopefully I think she'll keep this for how long?
I don't know, it depends.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll later end it.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Make sure to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in another video. Bye!